Paramedic Arthur Turner arrives within 10 minutes and checks the damage.
There was the possibility that the radial artery, which is one of the major arteries going down into the lower hand, could have been ruptured by the handbrakes that went into the muscle around his thumb.
As well as the artery, the hand's highly complex anatomy is crowded with bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves. Trauma to any of these could leave permanent damage. Kevin needs urgent care, but the brake lever which has impaled his hand is still attached to his precious bike.
We had fire service responding and we were prepared to cut the bike into smithereens if we needed to extract him from the bike.
Nobody was going to cut my brakes. I got them as a birthday gift from my wife and they were pretty expensive.
Kevin insists his friends detach the brake lever intact from the bike, leaving it embedded in his arm and hand, but still in one piece. 6 p.m. at Rotorua Hospital. Orthopedic surgeon.
Freaking word. Is there a parade coming? Carnival, festival, everything.